Well, it's Christmas Eve and it's time for the final entry in the Advent calendar. That'll be number 24, which is way the heck in this corner. We already know what this is going to be. This is going to be the Santa minifigure. And look, it's the Santa minifigure. It's almost like I know how these ones work. Alright, well, let's pull them out and build them. Yeah. Bring that zoom back down where it belongs. Hey, it's the last of these stupid crinkly bags, too. There we go. Well, that's fascinating. There's an inner bag. And this one doesn't have rippy bits on it, so I'm going to have to cut it open. There we go. There we go. And there's the hat. Looks like we get an extra beard. I think I'm going to stick the beard on one of the other ones just for fun. Oh well, there's not much to do but build him. Wonder why he has a candy cane tucked into the back of his belt there. That's interesting. Where's his head? Oh, there it is. His head tried to escape there. Well, I guess this has to go under his thing, so I guess I'll stick that there and then I'll put that there. There we go. Right, so there's his beard. Even get an extra one. It's kind of rubbery, that's interesting. And then his hat, which is going to go like so. And then he can even carry the bag of... Actually, I think it'll probably look a little better maybe this way. No, that doesn't really look better that way. So we'll put it like that. There we go. And there's Santa. Anyway, happy Christmas Eve, everybody. Tomorrow I'll do another video. For the Advent calendar, I'll just kind of recap all of the figurines and set them out on the thing or something. I don't know. I'll figure something out. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. Right here is the LEGO Advent Calendar playlist. And right here is a link to Patreon, which you can use to support the other things I do on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.